Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 9 to the power of 9 minus 99. So here we simplify this expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will solve this problem without using the calculation, or here we will show all of the working on this paper. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus on the exponent of this 9. And so you see here its exponent and base both are 9, so we write its base as 3 square and its exponent is 9 minus this is 99. So after this step here we will apply the exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponent law, we will write this term as this 9 times of 2 becomes here 18 minus this is 99. And now here further we will break this exponent, and we write this 18 as 3 to the power of 10 plus 8 minus 99. And now here in the next step we apply here this exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, we will break this exponent and we write it as 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 to the power of 8 minus 99. And now here in the next step, in order to move forward, we need first to find the value of 3 to the power of 8 and 3 to the power of 10. So here first we will write the value of 3 to the power of 8. So now here in order to find the value of this 3 to the power of 8, we break this exponent, and its exponent is 8, and we write it as 4 plus 4. And after that we again apply this exponent law, and according to this law we break this exponent and we write it as 3 to the power of 4, and it is multiplied by 3 to the power of 4. And you know that 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81. And now here we write this 81 as 81 into we write this as 80 plus 1. And now here we need to multiply this number by this, so we write it as 81 multiplied by 80 plus 81 multiplied by 1. So because here calculator is not allowed, we will show all of the working in your paper or in your head. Now you see here, if you multiply this 81 with 0, then we will get here 81 times of 0 equals to 0. And when you multiply 81 by 8, then you get here 8 ones are 8 and 8 eights are 64, and plus this is 81 times of 1 equals to 81. So we need to add these two values by the traditional method of addition. So we add these values here. This is 1 plus 0 is 1, 8 plus 8 16, we write 6 and carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 6. Okay, so we get here 6 5 and 6 0. So this is the value of 3 to the power of 8. Okay, so now here we need these two values, 3 to the power of 8 and 3 to the power of 10. So this is 3 to the power of 8, and now here in order to find the value of 3 to the power of 10, we need to multiply this value both sides by 3 square. So we write it as 6560 multiplied by 3 square. And here we apply this exponent law again. So you see that if bases are same, we add its exponents and we write a to the power of m plus n. Similarly, you see here these two bases are same, and now we need to add its exponents, and 8 plus 2 becomes here 10. And now you see here this is 3 square equals to 9, and we write it as 6560 multiplied by 9. So here we again multiply this number by 9 without using the calculator, and you see here When you multiply this 9 times of 0, we will get 0, and 9 6 54. So we write here 4 and we carry 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5 becomes here 50. And we write here 0 and we again carry 5. And again 9 6s are 54, and 54 plus 5 equals to 59. So we will get here 3 to the power of 10 is equals to 5904. Okay, so sorry, here we have little mistake. This is when you add these values. Here we will get here 1, so our this value equals to 6561. So we will just put it here 6561, and this is also 6561, and this will become here 9. Okay, so 59049, this is the value of 3 to the power of 10. And now here we need to substitute these two values, 3 to the power of 10 and 3 to the power of 8 here, and after that we need to subtract this by 99. And now here our above expression is written as, first we copy down here, it is 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 to the power of 8 minus 99. So we put these two values here, and now we can write that 3 to the power of 10 equals to 59049. It is multiplied by 3 to the power of 8, it is equals to 6561 minus 99. And now here we will break this greater number. So our greater number is this one, and now we can write this into the hundred or thousands form. So we write it as first we write it as 59,000 plus we have, or we write here into the 50,000, and plus we have, this is 9, we have 9,000 and plus 0 plus 40 and plus 9. Okay, we break this number here in this form, and now we need to multiply this number by 6561, and after that we can subtract it by 99. Okay, so now here after this step we have we need to multiply this number on each of these numbers, and now you can see here we will obtain 50,000 multiplied by 6561 plus 9,000 multiplied by 6561, and we just eliminate the 0 and we multiply 40 by 6561, and at the last we multiply 9 by 6561, and at the end we can just subtract it by 99. Okay, so further we have first we multiply this number by this. So you see here, if this whole number is, this complete number is multiplied by 0, then we will get 0. When again this number multiplied by this 0, we get 0, and this is 0 and 0. So when you multiply this complete number with these 4 zeros, we get 0. And now we multiply this 5 on these number. Okay, so here you see that 5 ones are 5, 5 6s are 30, we write here 0 and carry 3, and 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28, we write 8 and carry 2, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 becomes 32. Okay, so plus now we multiply the this whole number by these 3 zeros, and you get here these 3 zeros, and now we multiply 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 6s are 54, we write here 4 and carry 5, and 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 5 becomes 50, we write 0 and carry 5, 9 6 are 54 plus 5 becomes 59. So it will becomes 59049,000, and plus we multiply these two numbers here, and now so here when you multiply this 40 by this number, then we will get here 2 you get here 2 6 2 double 4 and 0. Here I can just skip this step, this multiplication for up to you, because of the length of this video. So now we multiply 9 times of this number. So when you multiply 9 times of this number, we will get here 590 and 49, and at the last we will just subtract it by 99. So here I hope so you easily add all of these values. So here you need to sum up all these values here, and now I can just left this summation for up to you. And when you add these numbers, then you will get here 387,420 and 489, and minus this is subtracted by 9. So when you subtract this number by 99, then you finally get here 387,420 and 390, and this is our final simplified form of the given expression. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.